It's Shuki baby. Tap the blessing and subscribe.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's gonna be a good day because K11 or K2 is one of the bougiest, luxurious malls in Guangzhou. I've always wanted to take you guys and show you that place because I think it's beautiful and it's also in my book. It's a whole 30 pages book that helps you to navigate Guangzhou as a pro. Now, if you would love to get that book, I'm going to leave the link in the description below because with it, you don't need a sourcing agent. It has most of the malls, most of the wholesale markets, the streets, and everything that you would need to navigate Guangzhou as a pro. But before I head out today, let's make lunch and then head to that very luxurious, artistic mall that looks like a museum. Let's go. I'm Hawa Shukrat. I wrote for you a book that is literally a guide to touring Guangzhou. With it, you don't need a sourcing agent. You can get it by tapping on the link in the description below. Also, for those of you that have been here for a long time, thank you so much. It means the world to me. Now, if you're new, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you get to watch it. In here, we are all about traveling around China, my life in China, and finding hidden gems, the things that you do not expect or you cannot think about when you come here as a business person. I discover them for you. Now, if that is your kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe. This mall looks expensive, smells expensive. I could not wait to show it to you all. I hope you've liked this video. Now, if you've watched till this point, the code word is coffee. Leave it in the comment section. And I know that you've watched my video till the end. Also, you can go ahead and purchase the Guangzhou guide that I'm gonna link in the description below. Trust me, when you get this, you will know where to find anything and everything in Guangzhou. Subscribe, like, share. Let me know where you're watching from, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.